All right, looking for some jobs. I gotta update my resume for this. I gotta update my resume for this one too. Special keywords here. Hmm.
What if you never had to write a resume again and could automate the perfect resume with an agent for free in 2 minutes?
Wait, what? What the? Who say that? God? Who's that? Anyways,
You're wasting your time. I could show you how to do this.
whoa, that's who's saying all this stuff? That's crazy. Am I going crazy? Anyways, let me just keep looking.
An AI agent can generate a resume that is tailored, ATS optimized, and keyword matched to the job you're applying for, formatted and ready to send.
Yo, who's talking right now? Did I leave something on, or am I just going crazy? What's going on right now?
I'm trying to help you.
Help me.
You're
Help me. I don't even know where this voice is coming from. Is this what happens when you apply to too many jobs? You start hearing voices?
You're not crazy. You'd be crazy if you were doing this manually when an agent can do this better and more accurately.
Oh, okay. So I'm either losing it or this is actually helpful. Either way, my current plan was to stay up until 3 a.m. reformatting bullet points, so the bar is low. Talk. Talk, voice.
Go to GitHub, link in bio.
Wait, what? Just like that? No explanation? And what bio? Link in what bio?
Do you want an explanation or a resume? Go to GitHub. I'll explain later at the end of the video.
Okay, fair enough. But wait, what video?
You'll see later. Just hit like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Okay. All right. Anyways, I'll just go to the GitHub repo here. GitHub.com/sdhall1/kiro_starter_guide/tree/main/skills/resume-builder. Okay. So basically this URL is going to be in the link in the bio of this video. Hit like and subscribe, like the voice said. What's up with it? Okay. And then, okay. What? There's a skill.md file. Now what? What is this?
It's a set of instructions, a markdown file that tells an AI agent exactly how to build and tailor resumes. ATS optimized, keyword matched, the whole thing. Copy the URL.
Oh, okay. Just copy this URL. All right. And then now what? Now what, voice?
Open Kiro, left sidebar, the Kiro icon, click it.
Okay. In order to do that, okay, I've downloaded Kiro. I'm gonna open up a project. Basically, I have this folder called resume. I'll just open that up. It's an empty folder. Okay. And on the left sidebar, click on the Kiro icon. All right. I see it. All right. All right.
Agent skills section. That's where you add skills. Press the plus icon, choose global agent skills, import from GitHub.
Okay. Agent steering the skills section, plus global agent skills, import skill from GitHub. And I'm guessing I probably paste in that URL, huh? Is that what I do?
Paste the URL of the skill.md file. Kiro pulls the skill and makes it available.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see if this voice is correct. Okay. I see a markdown file with instructions on how to create a resume using different templates and ATS standards. Okay. Wow. Okay. It was really comprehensive. Looks like a professional expert resume person just gave advice here and put their best thoughts on paper. I like it. All right. That's it. I've spent longer choosing a Netflix show. Now what do I do?
Try it.
Oh, okay. Try it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and try it. Let's go ahead and do it. I got a job that I was looking for here. Let's go here. Yeah, lead AI engineer. Okay. Let me just copy all this. Let's see how long this actually takes. I'm just going to copy all this stuff. And in Kiro, I will tell it, generate me a resume for this role. I'll paste all that. Here is my info. And let me just find my terrible resume that I have somewhere and just upload that information. All right. I'll just copy and paste my unformatted resume information here. Here's my info, paste it. All right, just a bunch of text with information about me. All right, and yeah, let's see. Did I tell it to use the skill? Oh yeah, generate a resume for me for this role using the /resume builder skill. All right, let's see if it happens. Let's see if we get some action going on here. Save some time. All right. Oh, okay. Resume Builder. It's activating the skill called Resume Builder, which is this file. And then it's reading these other files. Well, let's take a look at what this script actually looks like. This skill. Resume Builder Yeah, it has the skill.md file that we just looked at. What's inside references? Okay, ATS optimization, best practices, other best practices for like just overall formatting, contact information, experience skills, okay. Professional tone, okay. And then industry career guidance, highlight transferable skills in coursework and activities, okay. Basically also really making sure that it aligns with the role, all right. And then what is here? Scripts, okay, there's the generate pdf.py file, a Python script that's gonna take the markdown that's generated. Let's see. Okay, it's generating a markdown file for me here. Okay, it's actually creating it in my desktop. Okay, resume.md. Maybe I could tell it also to put everything in this workspace, but okay. Okay, take a look at the markdown draft and let me know if you have any changes to the content. Okay, I'll say put that in this workspace. No, it should be my resume folder. Okay, yeah. So I think, okay, it's here. I'll take a look at it. All right, maybe I'll edit some stuff here. But basically, okay, once I'm ready for this to be PDF, okay. Yep, I'll just say, yep, make a PDF. Okay, it's installing some Python package that was involved in that script that's in the agent skill. That's in this script that comes with the agent skill. Okay, so it's just using that script to take my markdown and create a PDF. Let's see if it works. Hopefully. If this works, then I'm gonna have a bunch of resumes for a bunch of jobs that I can apply to. And maybe I'll have some time to play basketball too. Who knows? Let's see. All right. Okay. Wow, it looks like this in the IDE. Let me reveal this in Finder. Right click, reveal in Finder, and then it should show up my little Finder window here. Okay, let's see. Resume. Ah, voila. Perfectly formatted resume. ATS compliant. And does it match the job? Let's see. AI engineer and technical architect. Okay, so it formats me as the lead AI engineer. Yeah, it includes all these keywords from that job. Perfect. Awesome. Shout out, voice. Now tell me what stocks to pick next. That would be good too.